Calico cloth of Calicut. How many have heard about the world famous cloth brand Calico Cotton? It is a special type of cotton fabric made by weavers of Malabar since 11th century. It is a plain woven textile made from unbleached and often not fully processed cotton. The cotton was a product of the port city of Calicut, the capital of erstwhile Malabar in Kerala. This cotton has an unfinished appearance and was the oldest variety of cotton available then. The cotton was made by Chalia community in Malabar region. It was also made in Gujarat, but it was the cotton from Calicut that was preferred and exported to the western world. This cotton is a little thick and much suitable for suits, gowns and skirts for ladies. No wonder it was of great demand in Europe for years together. It was once the sought after choice of the westerners. The word calico came from its origin Calicut, the European name for the city of Kozhikode. Calicut was the port where foreign ships docked for business purposes since the first invasion by Vasco da Gama 500 years ago. Calicut was the then commercial capital of Kerala. The first one to take cotton from Kerala to their homeland was Portuguese. The Dutch also loved the cotton from Calicut and made bulk purchases. This was a very lucrative business for the foreign invaders. Later, the British came to know about the Malabar special cotton after they captured a Portuguese ship. This made the Britishers also carry huge quantities of cotton from Calicut to the UK and other European countries. Few European investors started their factories in Calicut and Surat to weave the special cotton and exported it to their home country. In fact, the East India Company started making profits from India with production and export of this type of cotton. The East India Company increased its production and trade of cotton from India in huge quantities. The name and fame for cotton from Calicut attained peak heights during the midst of the 19th century. The glory went to such heights that the Westerners considered wearing Calicut cotton clothes a symbol of nobility. The high popularity of calico cotton in Europe secured it a near monopoly market in Europe, including the UK. The high demand for calico cotton made clothes but had negative impacts on textile trade in Europe. The import of Calicut cotton impacted the local cotton makers of Britain. This culminated in Britain imposing heavy duty on calico cotton imports into the UK. Later, the Britishers imposed a ban on calico cotton in the United Kingdom. Trade continued in the early 20th century also. However, the export declined as the East India Company pulled its shutters down in India. This crippled production and many cotton mills in India closed, throwing thousands out of employment. The inexpensive fabric can be made in different weights, width and for experimental textile works. As the textile industry grew, the weaving pits in small houses in Calicut and nearby areas outlived for the purpose. But the name after its original city of Calicut and fame of the Chalias of Malabar lives forever. Please subscribe the channel. Also, click the bell button to get the latest updates.